So what I really like about this is this protective top here. That keeps all the wind, dust, anything out of the way. This is a stove top, and it comes with different accessories that you can buy also that are separate from it. But if you actually look at the stove top itself, the actual burners, these are really great. This material through here, you're not getting any type of plugging of these holes or anything like that since we've used it. It's very durable. It's all metallic, very sturdy metal. So you're not getting any of that just flimsy stuff. You can see right here on top, that's just because the, it's not, I don't know if the paint or the coating just burns off because it gets so hot.
Has
that's
caused
something that
zero
there's
problems,
no warping or anything. It's just, that's normal.
It's wear and tear.
Just wear and tear. If you go down here to the knobs are really good. They're very secure, and so you can turn them to get the propane on. Really
Very
simple.
self-explanatory.
I like the little holes right here. That's where you feed the what do you call it? The lighter. Drop the lighter. So you can put the lighter in there to start it. And so you're not getting that like awkward, like where should I put the lighter to start this? Because you'll notice all the accessories that go on top are pretty universal, and they kind of cover a lot of this area. So a lot of this is very sturdy, very safety wise. The nozzle's really good, hooks up to the propane really easy. And then the legs themselves are awesome. They have these little, to be honest with you, the only downside of this that I've noticed is these plastic. These are plastic, unfortunately. These covers.
They held up
but yet
really well.
The thread is metal, and so I don't know. That's kind of my, like, the jury's still out for those, but they do come off really easy, and you can see, like, I can just pop that right off. These have plastic underneath right here, so if you just want to put this on an actual
tabletop,
like a tabletop, you don't even need the legs, which I always thought that was cool.
That is really cool.
Because it elevates everything high enough, the burner, so you're not going to get that. You have a little plate underneath here, so that's going to protect the table if you want to throw it on a table at a park, which I thought was cool. So
that was a big selling point.
Other than that, it's very portable, very easy to use, very lightweight. You can see, I mean, that's nothing compared to a lot of the products out there. Wise, I mean, it's pretty bang for your buck when it comes to a stovetop. They do, I mean, this is 2-burner like this. Whew. Family of 4. We fed people up to 7, 8 people, so
it's great.
You got plenty of real estate to work with.
Definitely a good purchase. I'll show you some pictures real quick of how we've used it camping, but definitely go ahead and buy it.